I'll show you how to blend anything in wall in Photoshop. First of all, I'm opening this image and unlocking the image layer and pressing Ctrl A and Ctrl C to select this entire image. Then going back to my wall image where I want to blend something, and then press Ctrl V to paste the image. Now hold down the Ctrl key and click on this icon to select your image, and then press Ctrl X to cut the image. After that, go to filter, make sure to select this layer and go to filter, just click on vanishing point, and here just make a perspective shape just like this, and then press Ctrl V and the image will paste here. Now simply drag the image and add the image inside of this box, and then press Ctrl T, and you can now easily resize or rotate the image just like this. So adjust the image according to your requirements. Once you are happy with your blending image, just click on OK. Now double click on this image layer and here select blending option and press the Alt key and click on this icon to divide. Now go ahead and adjust the image for your wall just like this. Once you're happy, click on OK. And here we can see the final result. So that's how you can actually blend anything in our wall.